Have you ever wondered how long it would take to reach all the planets in our solar system if we were traveling at the speed of light? To answer that question, we first need to understand just how fast the speed of light really is. The speed of light is an incredible 299,792 km per second. That's fast enough to travel around the Earth's equator 7.5 times in just 1 second. Today we are going to explore that question and find out just how long it would take from Earth to every planet in our solar system at the speed of light. Each planet has a specific path or orbit that it follows around its parent star. The distances between the planets in the solar system vary depending on their position in their respective orbits. So now assume that all the planet is at its closest distance to Earth. 1. Earth to Mercury. It would take approximately 4.3 minutes to reach Mercury if we travel at the speed of light, as its closest distance to Earth is 77 million kilometers. 2. Earth to Venus. Just over 2 minutes 13 seconds to reach at the speed of light, as its closest to approach is 40 million kilometers. 3. Earth to Mars. It takes approximately 3 minutes to travel from Earth to Mars at the speed of light, when they are at their closest to approach about 54.6 million kilometers. 4. Earth to Jupiter. It would take approximately 32 minutes to travel from Earth to Jupiter at the speed of light, when they are at their closest distance about 588 million kilometers. 5. Earth to Saturn. It would take about 67 minutes to reach Saturn from Earth at the speed of light, as its closest distance is about 1.2 billion kilometers. 6. Earth to Uranus. It would take about 2 hours 46 minutes to travel from Earth to Uranus at the speed of light, as its closest distance is about 2.6 billion kilometers. 7. Earth to Neptune. It would take approximately 4 hours to reach Neptune at the speed of light, at its closest distance to Earth is about 4.3 billion kilometers. Even traveling at the incredible speed of light, it would still take hours to reach the farthest planet in our solar system. But who knows what the future may hold in terms of faster travel methods. Of course, traveling at the speed of light is currently impossible. The fastest spacecraft ever launched by humans, the Parker Solar Probe, which is only about 0.067% of the speed of light. But it's still fascinating to think about how quickly we could travel through our solar system if we were able to achieve the incredible feat. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos.